Welcome back to our channel. We're doing a little bit of update on our construction. It's windy today, but it's beautiful. See that? Yeah. Say something. We're gonna take you to the update. Which one? Boom. We're gonna start over at. So see, we have a walkway. We're not in the mud. See, so the walkway. We're not finishing this one yet. We're trying to debate if we're gonna put a stone or stamp or whatever. So this area here, we poured this yesterday. See? Walkway. Doo-doo-doo. Nice. This is the side. They're not finished yet, but there's a little something going on here. Go to the kitchen.
That'll be the dirty kitchen.
That will be the dirty kitchen. See, Coco? Coco is pretty now.
Coco's the coconut tree there that has character.
Yeah, Coco is
You want
Coco.
step light? Huh?
Coco is Coco. The one is Coco.
Have you shown the cooking yet?
Yes, I did. The last
Okay.
time.
All right. So they're putting in the step lights today too, and the steps here, and over here. There'll be 3 across this section, and then a step light in every other step here. Not every step. We're not going to do it on every step. And Ronnie, the craftsman, just made this today. Chris did out of the Tugas, so that should turn out nice one.
So
It's varnished.
here, this is the guest bathroom. They already did some finishing touch in this one. So right now we're doing a trial and error for the
Paint.
the paint. It's a green, ocean green. So can you show the book?
I did.
So this is the ceiling of the guest bathroom. There's gonna be a fan on that one, and see, we cover it, but this is a shower here, shower area, but we could cover it because we're painting. That's a shower area. That's American standard, hot and cold.
Yeah, hot and cold.
Yep, hot and cold.
So what we did was had a plumber come back and bury the hot and cold pipes through the wall and into where you see here. And so we're having the cabinet made. It'll have a solid wood, what is it, 2 inches thick, the Tugas core?
Yes.
2 inch thick top across the whole area here. And it'll have a water heater down here. So the water heater will be buried into the cabinet, so you won't see it. Many of them, most of them, would have it up there. That was how that started. So that'll be taken out and covered over. So we didn't like that.
So this is the tiles for this, which
So
is we like
the
it.
vanity accent
It's-
splash.
The splash, it's kind of like pearl, and a woven. So that's nice that we found that one. And we'll go up to the master bath, because that's the update for the week for that. The master. Okay, the other side of the railing is finished. This wasn't here last week. So this is,
Yep, Chris is moving along.
Chris is working. And, whoa. That is, ta-da!
Now this is, here I'm going to go around to the side real quick. So the railing is finished, at least with the carpentry part of it, around to here. And we have security cameras going in and the floodlights. So the backyard will light up pretty good. Play horseshoes and so on. Okay, so you don't want to walk on this side yet.
No, I'm just gonna walk here. I'll show them the fan that's rolling. We're able to use the fan. And here we have a floor.
Oh, they're gonna hook it up. Good.
You're gonna hook it up for
Floor outlet.
outlet. So this is Panasonic floor outlet.
Yeah, you have to be careful over here.
We're gonna
A
hook
lot
it
of
up.
junk. Here, you wanna? I don't want to
So-
walk on it. You want to take this one?
This one,
See,
let's take, okay, you can take it. I'm gonna show you the, oops. So, this one is a lighter tiles, which is, we like it, it makes the room big whenever you put the light tiles in it. So that's the ceiling. I know I might show it to you guys, but that's what, we're not finished on this one yet. I'm gonna show you. So the master bath is also being put some skim coat. That's the toilet bowl that we're gonna use. I think I showed you last time. I put that band in there, and that's they're since the hot and cold. We changed it to different locations, so our electrician was going to run the electric down here before we put the tiles in. So the tiles of this one, we're still waiting. It's from Cebu shipment, but this is the only place in the house that I'm waiting for the tiles. The rest is okay. We already have that, and it's ready to put in. Show you some. So we are really doing pretty good with we're hoping we can move in like mid of April, cause everything is, we already have, we're just hoping, but who knows what's gonna be what's gonna be going on in the next couple of days with these workers. And I'm going to have the air conditioner installed whenever all of this is being styled, and also finish the wall paint. And what else is we did for the week? So I got this tiles from City Hardware. It's like 141 a piece. It's 60 by 60. So it's a porcelain. It's a porcelain tile. So porcelain is the better one. It won't. See. It's we did some research on that one. So most of our tiles, all of our tiles actually are porcelain. We use. So that's good. What else? And see, this is how our backyard looks like now. It's kind of like there's there's already a trail of it's a laundry day today, so you can see the laundry. That's gonna be gone whenever everything's gonna be. So all I have to do is did some more landscaping job. They already started that side for the railings. So, and here, yay, look at that, they already removed the scaffolding on this one area here. There's one light here which I'm debating on what kind of light I'm gonna put in, but that's easy because I know what it is. And look at this, we already removed the scaffolding. This is the front of the villa. This is the facade, the villas. This is 2 rooms. So, as you can see, guys, go up here so you can see. So love the paint that we put in. It's a beige, and it's from Boysen, beige color, and morning sun or something like that is the name. So we're going to install some wall lamp on that one. It's ready. So we're moving along pretty good. So this is the breezeway here. If you see, this is the breezeway that connect with the two buildings. So that's what it is, and go that way. So we did some, I don't know if I showed you, we also did, Mama did some landscaping going to the breezeway, going to both of the buildings. So yeah, well, I'm coming back so that you can see what it is. I'm talking. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna go up and look at the brats. Hey, Butsy son. Hey, Butsy son. Butsy son. So here, this is our Kokomo buildings here. So you can see we're in the middle of the palm trees. So there's 30 palm trees around here. There's 40, but we removed the 10 for the buildings. So this is the side of the house. That's the master there, and that's the porch for the master. So, and the cams being installed as well. These are the cams and some floodlights. Yeah, it's looking good, and you can see, even if you're here, you can still see the water view. That's the the water view here. Yes, bring down here so I can show you. This one we still need a lot of work, but not as much as when we started here. So this is the other side of the house, and of course I'm gonna do some landscaping here. It's still muddy, and yeah, a lot of work to do, but we're getting there. And that goes to the water. And I think I'm going to show you the top of the building here. So that's what it is, guys. Side. This is the one onto the water. They're finishing the painting on this side, this part, and then put the cam so that we can remove the scaffolding here as well. So we are getting closer and closer. This, I have a macan here. They dried it up, installed it to the mama's bathroom, so that next week they can install the tiles for mama's bathroom. So as you can see, for those who are watching some of our videos, thank you for watching. We are trying our best to make videos, but we're just so busy. Okay guys, and thank you for watching. That's the update of our Kokomo. Thank you, and God bless, and be safe. And if you have any questions, just make some comments. And I know I didn't mention the expenses of Kokomo yet. I already have everything written down there. I'm gonna show you one of our videos how much it is and the cost for everything. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have like 7 projects here. We have the 2 buildings, the villas and the main house, and then the fence. So that's the 3. We have the garage, so that's 4, and then the fence, so that's 5, and we also have a well, and that's 6, and then maybe next week we're going to start our outdoor kitchen. So we have a lot, and I'm happy to say that we are really right there on our budget, a little bit more, because of the materials that we use. Everything we use, good materials, class A, everything that we want. So that's a plus. With all the expenses that we did, it's really good. So thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. Thank you. God bless.